In this video, I would like to show you how to view a Linux network host name. Hostname is a program that can be used in setting or displaying the current host or the DNS or the node name of the system. And the names are used by many of the programs inside the network to identify the machine in most cases. And it is very important to be able to determine the host name when you want to carry out activities such as troubleshooting a system error or downloading some files and things like that. So if you have a Linux server and you would like to determine the host name of your network, you can just make use of the uname command line. So in this case, which is going to be uname, then with the end switch. So in this case, I have typed the end switch. So when I press enter, the host name is going to be shown. Another way of doing this is to use the same name switch but in full, which is going to be with the same uname and the node name. So which gives the same information. And I can also make use of the host name command line. So which is going to be host name, then pressing enter also gives the same information. So there are three different command lines that can be made use of. Then at the same time, in some cases, if you are not making use of a Linux system, you are going to have the host name and the node name are not likely to be the same. So if you are on Linux, those are the three different ways of determining the Linux network host name.